Zurich, Switzerland, construction is more than the act of putting up new buildings. It is a process shaped by precision, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for the environment. Across the city, cranes move deliberately over job sites, but behind each project lies a planning process that begins long before the first foundation is poured. Switzerland's approach is clear: build in a way that meets the needs of today without compromising the needs of tomorrow. One of the most striking features of Zurich's building culture is its use of wood as a major structural material. This isn't limited to small cabins or interior finishes. Timber is being used for ambitious, large-scale projects. The new children's hospital in Zurich is a prime example. Designed almost entirely from wood, it meets rigorous safety and performance standards while creating a warm, healthy environment for patients. The choice of timber is more than aesthetic. Wood naturally stores carbon, reducing overall greenhouse gas emissions. When sourced responsibly from Swiss forests, it is a renewable resource that supports local industries. Concrete, a staple of construction worldwide, is treated differently here. In many countries, demolition means total destruction, a fast teardown that creates massive piles of mixed debris destined for landfill. In Zurich, the process is far more deliberate. Instead of discarding old material, concrete is carefully crushed and repurposed for future projects, reducing the demand for new cement, one of the largest sources of CO2 emissions in construction. When new concrete is needed, it is often blended with recycled aggregates or combined with other low-impact materials to reduce its environmental footprint. The structures built from it are designed to last decades, if not centuries, ensuring that the embodied energy and emissions are justified over time. Rainwater management is another area where Zurich excels. The city integrates water-conscious design into both public and private developments. Green roofs are a common sight, blanketing buildings in vegetation that slows rainwater runoff, improves insulation, and creates a habitat for birds and insects. Permeable paving allows water to seep naturally into the soil instead of rushing into storm drains, reducing flood risk, and helping to replenish groundwater. In some neighborhoods, rainwater is collected and reused for irrigation. These strategies are not just environmentally sound, they also keep Zurich streets and public spaces beautiful and functional year-round. In Zurich's District 9, the transformation of the Koch Areal into the new Koch Quartier offers a close lookup at sustainable building practices as they happen. Even in its construction phase, the project shows many of the principles that shape green development across the city.
We try to reduce as much emissions as possible, like for example wood instead of concrete. We were able to get glass lamels from a house not so far away from here and to take them, and then we will be able to put them as a facade on our building.
This approach not only reduces waste, but also avoids the emissions and energy required to produce entirely new glass. The architectural renderings and plans reveal a design built around durable, long-lasting materials, exposed concrete, raw structural elements, and finishes kept to a minimum.
We have 20% lower CO2 emissions. Oh, and super important point, we are car-free.
Koch Quartier demonstrates how sustainability can be built into a project from the very first stages, through intentional material choices, efficient design, and a construction process that prioritizes longevity and low environmental impact. Sustainability here is embedded even in the smallest details of construction. Temporary fencing, for example, often uses heavy bases made from recycled plastics or rubber rather than concrete blocks. This makes them easier to move, reusable for years, and far less wasteful when a project is complete. Many job sites use demountable facilities for offices and storage, reducing the need to build new temporary structures for every project. This way of working reflects a broader Swiss mindset: careful planning, cooperation among stakeholders, and a commitment to quality over speed. Construction schedules are often longer than in other countries, but the result is a city that grows thoughtfully with infrastructure designed to serve generations. Waste is minimized, materials are respected, and buildings are designed with both human comfort and ecological health in mind. In Zurich, green building is not a separate category of architecture. It is the standard. From the choice of timber over concrete, to the design of rainwater systems, to the smallest decisions about temporary site equipment, every detail worked towards the same goal, reducing environmental impact while creating spaces that endure. The result is a model of urban development that proves sustainable construction is not only possible, but practical, efficient, and beautiful.